Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll help you upgrade your food vocabulary. Let's stop saying expired and use more precise terms instead. When dealing with dairy products, say the milk has soured. Example, I can't drink this, it has soured. For bread, use the term stale. Example, the loaf is so stale, it's only good for crumbs. Refer to fruits and vegetables as overripe. Example, these bananas are overripe, perfect for banana bread. When it comes to meat, say it has spoiled. Example, the chicken smells off, it must have spoiled. For seafood, use the word rancid. Example, the fish is rancid, it's definitely inedible now. Describe grains and cereals as musty. Example, this cereal tastes musty, it's been in the pantry too long. Call nuts or seeds rancid. Example, the almonds are rancid, they have an unpleasant taste. For oils, say they've gone bad. Example, this olive oil has gone bad, it's cloudy and smells odd. Use the term wilted for leafy greens. Example, the spinach looks wilted, it's past its prime. Refer to canned goods as bad or spoiled. Example, this can of beans looks swollen, it's probably spoiled. For baked goods, use the word stale. Example, these cookies are stale, they've lost their crunch. Expand your vocabulary and impress your friends. Keep your food fresh, and as always, stay tuned for more tips. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.